Okay, 12. Now here I'm going to have a little explanation on how this is working. The use of the Summarise function in the diploid pipe in collaboration with filter versus group by. Now let's have a look at, I don't know, so filter plus Summarise versus group by plus Summarise. Alright, so let's have a look at one example. So we've got our data frame. We're going to pipe it. Oop. Now, insert thing, we're going to filter for, I don't know. Age group. Let's do age group, let's do it via, factor, why not? You can have a look in our factor, so age group factor equals, in our data frame we can say age group factor, we'll just chuck it as that, okay? Oh, video examples. Skadoosh. So this is what it is. Pretty sure that should be like that. Okay. Now, we're going to summarize. We're going to do SESQ average equals the mean of SES quantile. So quantile is kind of an economic measurement on wealth and prosperity. Right, so let's have a look. Group by this. We can see that the average quantile is 3.37, which is pretty good out of the 5. You may have one as the lowest. Now, let's say we don't want to know this one specifically. We want to have a look at all of them. Now, because it's a mean, you could either do a count function, count this versus this, and then you can get the mean. However, this may be a better way of doing it. Data frame, you want to group by age group factor. So you want to group by those sections, okay? And then we want to summarize SESQ average. That's what we're going to call it. That's the mean of this S quantile. Now when we do this, we have our factored age groups, and we can see that 31 to 40, 37, 37. But what it does is it's making a mean for every single one. Now we can go and see that actually the best group to be in is the 41 to 50s. For whatever reason, that may be interesting or maybe not, but this is just a good use of, instead of, if you want to know something very specific, then fair enough, use the filter for something specific. However, if not, then just the group by gives you a good understanding on each of these groups. Just I thought that would be useful to know. Over and out.